Decisions and Disruptions project is based on a Lego exercise that we use with groups of professionals studying their cybersecurity decision making. Teams are presented with a fictional hydroelectric company. They're given a finite budget and they have to identify which security investments they should make. And they suffer cybersecurity attacks as a result of their choices.
Being part of a workshop that Ben's run on the game Decisions and Disruptions was really fascinating. It enables you to see how complex and difficult it is to make those decisions when you're faced with a cybersecurity attack. From as simple as investing in CCTV cameras to trying to spend a budget on ransomware and that kind of thing. I was really interested in what makes a human decision, and the simplicity of a decision is really just a yes or no at the end of the day. So from that concept, I developed this kind of steampunk-looking machine installation where you can crank a handle and a ball bearing runs through the machine, resulting in a yes or no decision.
It's nice to be able to reduce cybersecurity from something that people are terrified of or misunderstand to something as simple as decision making, which they can appreciate.
At the JGI showcase, I can't wait to present the artwork. It's got a huge kind of crank handle on the side. This ball bearing will run through it and it will make a lot of noise and be a really interesting way to ask people to reflect on decision making in their own lives.